Hey there. Welcome to Inspire You Today, your one-stop channel for motivation, hard work, and achieving financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the world of financial freedom and what it means for your life. We'll explore the magic that happens when motivation and hard work come together to help you live your dream life. Imagine a life where you control your finances, not the other way around. Stay tuned till the end to get the most out of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Your interaction helps us create more valuable content for you. First things first, what do we mean by financial freedom? Now that's not just a fancy term tossed around by finance gurus. It's an attainable goal that can make a significant difference in your life. Imagine this, you're on a road trip, cruising down the highway with the wind in your hair. You're not worried about the fuel gauge because you know you've got a full tank. That's what financial freedom feels like. It's the comfort of knowing you've got enough resources to keep you going, even if you hit a few bumps along the way. Financial freedom doesn't mean living in a mansion or owning a fleet of luxury cars. It's about having enough financial resources to live the life you desire without constantly worrying about money. It's about having your money work for you rather than you working for your money. It's the freedom to make choices. Want to take a year off and travel the world? You can do that. Want to switch careers and follow your passion? You can do that too. It's about having the financial capacity to make decisions based on what makes you happy, not what makes your wallet happy. In essence, financial freedom is the ultimate level of financial stability and independence. It gives you the liberty to live your life on your own terms. So now that we understand what financial freedom means, how can we achieve it? Achieving financial freedom might seem like a daunting task, but with consistent effort and the right steps, it's totally attainable. Let's dive right in, starting with setting financial goals. Think of it as your destination on the map of financial freedom. These goals could be as simple as saving for a vacation or as ambitious as retiring early. The key is to have clear, realistic, and measurable goals. For example, if you dream of buying a house, calculate the down payment you'd need and make that your goal. Next up, let's talk budgeting. Many of us might cringe at the thought of it, but budgeting is the compass that keeps us on track towards our financial goals. Picture this, you're planning a cross-country road trip. You wouldn't just start driving without knowing how much gas you'll need, right? That's what budgeting does for you. It helps you understand where your money is going and how to allocate it effectively. Now let's switch gears to saving. Saving is the fuel for your journey towards financial freedom. It's about setting aside a part of your income, consistently. Imagine it like this. Every dollar you save is a brick in the foundation of your financial freedom. The stronger the foundation, the more secure your financial future will be. Investing, on the other hand, is like the turbo boost that accelerates your journey. It's about putting your money to work for you. Picture a farmer planting seeds. The seeds are your investments, and with time and care, they grow into a profitable harvest. Last but not least, reducing debt. Think of debt as a heavy backpack you're carrying on your journey. The heavier the backpack, the slower you move. By reducing your debt, you're lightening your load, making it easier to move forward. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, discipline, and hard work are key. It's about making small, consistent steps towards your goals, and with every step, you come closer to living the life you desire. So let's start walking. Financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about the mindset. It requires motivation and hard work. Now let's dive a bit deeper into these two key ingredients, motivation and hard work. You see, motivation is the driving force that keeps us going, even when the road to financial freedom gets bumpy. It's that burning desire to change your life for the better, to give your family the comfort they deserve, or perhaps, to travel the world without a care in the world. It's your why that becomes the fuel for your how. On the other hand, hard work is the vehicle that carries you on this journey towards financial freedom. No matter how motivated you are, without putting in the work, your dreams remain just that, dreams. It's like owning a car with a full tank of gas but refusing to drive it. You won't get anywhere. Now, how do motivation and hard work help us overcome financial obstacles? Well, think of a time when you faced a hurdle in life. Maybe it was a difficult exam, a challenging project, or a tough negotiation. What got you through? Wasn't it your determination to succeed and the effort you put in that made all the difference? That's exactly how it works with financial challenges too. Motivation keeps your eyes on the prize when you're tempted to stray. It helps you stay disciplined, stick to your budget, and resist the urge to splurge. Hard work, on the other hand, allows you to increase your income, pay off debts, and grow your savings. It's the sweat equity you put into your financial journey. Remember, the road to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a continuous process of learning, growing, and adapting. It's about being resilient in the face of setbacks and persistent in the pursuit of your goals. So you see, motivation and hard work are not just buzzwords. They're the backbone of your financial freedom journey. They're what transform dreams into reality and what-ifs into I did it. So, are you ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom? Achieving financial freedom and living the life you desire isn't a dream. It's a reality that's waiting for you to seize it. We've journeyed through the concept of financial freedom, the steps you need to take to reach it, and the critical role of motivation and hard work. You see, it's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you, and that requires a clear plan, relentless dedication, and a never-give-up attitude. You have the power to transform your financial future and live the life you've always dreamt of. It's time to take control, make your money work for you, and start your journey towards financial freedom. As we wrap up, it's crucial to remember that every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Your journey towards financial freedom starts now. Subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with more insightful videos. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.